In this lab, you will be isolating a phenolic compound using a C18 solid phase extraction column. You will need your unknown, clear tubing, a 10 milliliter syringe, methanol, deionized water, and the C18 solid phase extraction column. First, you will need to activate the column. Set the column up by attaching the clear tube to both the bottom of the column and the tip of the syringe. Run 5 milliliters of methanol through the column. Draw it out using the syringe. Do this slowly to avoid making bubbles. Also, be aware of the plunger in the syringe. It does come out if you pull too far. Detach the syringe and discard this fraction. Do this again using 10 milliliters of deionized water. This combination activates the column. Dissolve 80 milligrams of your unknown into about 1 or 2 milliliters of methanol. Some mixtures will need to be heated or vortexed to dissolve. Load your sample onto the column and use the syringe to pull the solution into the resin. Dilute with a 50-50 mixture of methanol and water. Collect 6 to 10 fractions using the syringe. Each fraction should be about 0.6 milliliters in size. Return the tubing and syringe to where they came from so they can be used again. To analyze your fractions, you will use the Carey or Ocean Optics UV Vis spectrometer. Set it up to scan from 220 to 400 nanometers. Use deionized water as the blank and follow the instructions on the instrument to obtain spectra. Begin with the first fraction, placing 1 to 3 drops of your unknown into the cuvette containing deionized water. If your sample becomes cloudy, take note of it. D2O may not be the best solvent to run in an NMR. Collect data and record the lambda max. Repeat this for each fraction. Combine like fractions and evaporate the solution. You are looking for 2 specific peaks to identify your compound and the contaminant. Obtain IR, proton NMR, and GC-MS spectra, as well as the melting point. You will need to use D2O or CD3OD as an NMR solvent to dissolve your unknown, instead of chloroform.